Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusian 4. And then you be cast before oral home. Na, Nyami onye on try there left too. You see, there is a popular saying say, whom the gods want to disgrace, no, they first make you mad. Ene obia timi say, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, the Commander-in-Chief of the Ghana Armed Forces, the first gentleman of our land, he has moved from oral to OCAL. From oral to OCAL. OCAL here, Operation Clear All Looters. Operation Clearing All Looters. Now, first one now, mo promise here, bro, now mo here campaign oral. Operation Recover All Loot. We there Operation Clearing All Looters. Now, I say no. I say, you see, I try to be a non-conform campaign in my NDC crown. They say they themselves are coming out to speak. And then Manasseh Azuri, Awuni, our school US. Obi akọ school US no. And NDC for beka say, Akufo-Addo, onpe so obi aka na sementi, wapam Manasseh akotina US ni amanyama no. Na Manasseh Johnny. You see Manasseh na o company ma John Mahama. Sekara phone call to Obama John Mahama no. And then see, what try there be on the Facebook page. Now title of the article Manasseh Chiro Chief Clearing Agent. Chief Clearing Agent. And the title of Manasseh article, no? And it reads, Ghanaians deserve to know the basis for the government's mass discontinuation of court cases against officials and associates of the previous Mahama administrations. A few of the cases, such as the prosecution of the Democracy Hub protesters, raise concerns among many Ghanaians. One may not be surprised that those charges are dropped. A majority of the cases, however, border on corruption and charges of causing financial loss to the state. For a president vowing to reset Ghana and prosecute government officials who have stolen or caused money to be stolen from the public purse, the mass clearance is a wrong start. It is a dangerous precedent. What President Mahama is telling the MPP officials his administration will charge is very simple. If you are charged, drag the case as long as you can. And if your party comes into office, the court process will be truncated and you will be set free. This does not portend well accountability. This dangerous precedent defeats Mahama's resolve to fight corruption and defeat such future endeavors. For a president whose administration began the prosecution that resulted in the jailing of his own party in the JDM scandal, this is a new law. And a 40 step. The Attorney General must not truncate prosecution just because he has the power to do so. The power belongs to Ghanaians and must be exercised in our interest. The court should be allowed to deal with the evidence and decide on the guilt or innocence of the person's charge. In some cases, the state lost vast sums of money and we should have answers. Even with the ambulance case, in which the person's charge were acquitted by the court, the state had lost money. The scandal was not fabricated, even if the wrong actors may have been targeted. He continues, I produced a documentary on those ambulances, Grounded Wheels, on YouTube, and I had no doubt the ambulance procurement was a scandal. I was surprised at the fixation on Jakpa and Atoforsen, while officials of the ministry that procured the ambulances labeled them substandard after failing to inspect them before shipment were left untouched. Had the procurement not been a scandal, the Mahama administration would not have moved the ambulances from the forecourt of the State House and hidden them at the Air Force base in Bema camp. People were dying for lack of ambulance, and the movement was to keep the problematic vehicles from the public eye. I entered and filmed the ambulances for my documentary, and some of the defects matched the inspection report that labeled them unfit for use as ambulances. So if the case in which the defendants were set free was an actual scandal, one can imagine the rest. I nicknamed Akufo-Addo the chief clearing agent, and Mahama seems to relish that title. Let us not forget that the persons Akufo-Addo cleared and publicly defended were not all clean. Pius Hazide, for instance, who was cleared for his involvement in the Australia visa scandal, publicly confessed his role when he was campaigning to be MP for a Sojaman in the just ended election. If the government clears all its party people standing trial, the people whose power the government exercises must be given sound reasons. Operation Recover or Lose, ORA, cannot succeed when its implementers are engaged in Operation Clear All Looters. If we can do better than pick lessons from failing democracies like the United States of America. That is from Manasseh Azuri. Manasseh say, "Who John Mahama? Una ubedada ye promise ye say, umpe corruption. Enti nkofo be wa Akufo-Addo amemo ni government mo they've stolen money and all those things. Ebra ye to abama na odi okujeto. Say okujeto baby sharp it braha. Kofre Martin Pebu, kofre Domelevo. Na munko hwehwe se nkofo be a ewia ska bia ana se ofa ban ya sasibia na saban bibi no. Mutro mudimbre mi. Na mutro denu ba medium be court. Right? And nkofo bon say ma say, "Oh, John Mahama, John Mahama, eh." Right? Afa die. Na wo first time nkofo a mo wia ska. Nkofo a mo gi aban sika so mo kudi koto ade, mo afa koto ade no. Ni o mo pe na mo koye no. Omo de, you are clearing them. Na Manasseh see, now ofre Akufo-Addo. Obi papa, obi grandfather say, or your chief clearing agent. Now the way things are going there, I said the title of chief clearing agent, I said Mahama has taken over, and he has taken over more than even what Akufo-Addo Manasseh assumes was doing. Until see, say na adenbe call the any Mahama jai oral no. Or say we ba ban mo. Na nsema e wo ho. Nkrofo ma wia ban sika. Ebra na we president who first tenure no. Nkrofo ma wia sika saglemi for ambulance JDM sadai all those ones na uba na nkrofo bia mutumi wia sika kra mu ye corrupt kra no. E say we appoint you as governors of Bank of Ghana no. Or say na ba be ye there and there don't even waste our time say we call chesi obia or MPP mo say we yaska esan say you are setting an example now set je say yenim say aban bi prosecute obia na obeye ni say delay asem no court play delay tactics ma asem no ma omutwitwi omunai wo fom sa ebra yekoto abana na aban Mbappe na aban ma be clear no. Say son be ye there and the ain't me fighting corruption will always be with us. And to say the chief clearing agent title no John Mahama there, and he has shown say no he has no ambition to fight corruption. Ni na banya obemo no eba be corruption mass pro mass. Et wa nim na efe corruption no we refer we need to form. Shedding you are coming to witness the biggest corruption scandals yet witnessed in this nation. John Mahama is back. Mubeshe. Thank you so much for watching this episode of the Political Rant with me. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, bye bye. Cheers. See you in the next one.